Hello everyone, my name is Cindy Andraini. I'm from class 11-7. Here I want to show you how to make mango juice. Material: mango, water, ice cup, and sugar. First, peel the mango and clean it. Next, cut the mango into pieces and put them into the blender. And then put the water, ice, and sugar. After that, turn on the blender. Finally, pour the mango juice into the glass. And ready to drink.